Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to send your current location on WhatsApp. Maybe you want to share your exact location with someone to let them know where you are. So today I'm going to show you how to send your current location on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, find the chat or contact with whom you want to share your location. Once you have selected the chat, tap on this paperclip icon located at the right side of the text input field. In this menu, tap on this location option. A menu will appear showing your current location. You can also see a blue dot on the map indicating your precise position. If your current location is not accurate, you can choose a different location by tapping on this icon at the top left corner. Then move the pin to your desired spot on the map. Once you are satisfied with the location, tap on the Send this location option. After that, you now have successfully sent your current location on WhatsApp. The recipient will receive a message with a map preview and a pin indicating your location. There you go. If you wanted to know how to send your current location on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to send your current location on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.